Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on View into Huck's World. Today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and why it became my daily driver. But before we get started, I need for you to hit that like button, smash the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost you a dime. And if you really enjoy the content that I drop on this channel, then go ahead, hit that thanks button, donate to the channel so we can bring different content to the channel. All right, so with that being said, let's get started with this review. All right, you all, let's get started with this video. Now, yes, we're going to be talking about why the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is my daily driver. I'm loving what the smartwatch brings to the table. Yes, I do too. I have some issues with Google and their setup as well. But if we're going to have this conversation in the comment section down below, let's have it in a peaceful manner. Because I know there's a lot of you all that hate the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. All right. With that being said, I want to also say that because the Galaxy Watch 4 is my daily driver, does not mean that I don't still love my Galaxy Watch 3 and my Galaxy Watch. And my Galaxy Watch is a beast of a smartwatch. Now, for me, I picked the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic simply because I like the look, I like the style, I love the rotating physical bezel compared to the Galaxy Watch 4. Now, I will tell you, if you're looking to get a smartwatch and you're thinking about the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, I'm going to recommend you get the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Why? The battery life is a lot better. I got the Galaxy Watch 4 LTE, and the battery life is draining quickly, right? Now, I don't know how my wife is enjoying it. Yes, she's making it home with battery life, but it drains a lot quicker to me, in my opinion, than the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, all right? So with that being said, let's go ahead, let's talk about it. Now, in comparison with the Galaxy Watch 3 and the Galaxy Watch 4, the specs are almost identical, right? You talk about the hardware, it's almost identical as well. Except for the buttons, right? The buttons is what let you know which one is the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and which one is the Galaxy Watch 3. One of the reasons why I wear this watch every day is the battery life. Now, although it's a small thing, because the Galaxy Watch 3 has a battery life of 340 milliamp hour battery and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic has a battery life of 361. Every little bit helps, in my opinion, when you talk about battery life and wearing a smartwatch all day. And the reason it's important to me is because I wear this watch at work like 9-10 hours a day. I come home and I do watch reviews. I do not have to charge my watch up in order to get battery life to make sure that I'm able to do smartwatch reviews. I don't have to do that at all. I come home, I do what I need to do, get in the shower, get out, grab my watch, start filming, with no problem, right? So battery life is good. Now, the other thing is going to be, let's talk about storage, right? Now, with the 8 gigabytes of memory, right? A lot of times I had to get rid of watch faces, keep getting rid of them. You know I do watch face reviews, so I'm downloading watch faces left and right on Tizen, right? On my Galaxy Watch 3, but then I would have to get rid of watch faces, a lot of them, in order to do so many watch face reviews. Now, what I would normally do is go ahead and reset. It saves all my watch faces that I've ever downloaded on my Samsung account, so I don't lose them. And then I'm able to download new and more watch faces, right? So I find this to be convenient to have double the storage. I wish we had gotten 32 gigabytes of memory, just like the Apple Watch, right? I don't understand why Samsung cheaped out on that, but at least we got double. That's better than nothing. Now, the very thing that takes this over the top, I have to say, is customization. I don't know if you heard me talk about it before, but customization is everything to me. And that's probably because I had a Wear OS smartwatch before, my Moto 360, and I was able to customize what applications I wanted on my smartwatch or what features I wanted. Now, with the Tizen smartwatches, right, like the Gear S3, the Galaxy Watch 3 and the Galaxy Watch, you couldn't do that. I tried to get with the developers, I tried to get with Samsung to find out why they wouldn't allow the developers to be able to allow us to customize what application we wanted on the smartwatch. Now, to be able to personalize it like this means a lot to me, right? Because I'm not into fitness like that. So a lot of the watch faces that were being made by the Tizen developers had a lot of fitness information in it, and it's good. A lot of people like fitness. I'm not into fitness like that, and I'm quite sure there's a lot of other people that are not into fitness like that as well. So I like things that's going to make life convenient for me, like being able to remote start my car, cut on my TV. But I like the fact that I can put my Spotify on my watch face. I can put my Google Assistant on my watch face, find my phone, whatever application I wanted to put on that particular watch face, I can choose, and you got a variety of applications and features that you could put on your watch face on any given Sunday. And that's what takes this over the top. This is why I wear this smartwatch every day, along with the fact that you got a switch you can turn on to allow your watch to show you what you're listening to, because I listen to music or news every single day. So as soon as I flip my watch, I don't have to hit a button to go into an application to watch this. I just flick my wrist and it automatically comes on. And if I want to go back, if I want to go forwards, I can do that straight from the watch without pulling out my smartphone or without going into an application on my smartwatch. And this is why I wear this smartwatch every single day. It makes life a little bit more convenient than having my Titan smartwatch on. But I do wear my Titan smartwatch, my Galaxy Watch 3 from time to time. But I've been wearing this Wear OS Galaxy Watch 4 smartwatch for the longest. And this is why it became my daily driver. All right, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on your Galaxy Watch 4 or your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Also, those of you all who opt out and didn't get the Galaxy Watch 4, what is it that you really didn't like about the Galaxy Watch 4 that made you keep the Galaxy Watch 3 and or the Galaxy Watch? All right, so go ahead, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you smash that like button, hit the notification bell, and also make sure you subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost you a dime to subscribe. So go ahead. We got more content coming your way. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy life. Have some fun, you all. And remember, please be safe.